Whoa, mind is on overload. Temperature is hot and cold. I'm feeling all alone. Whoa, mind is on overload. Temperature is hot and cold. I'm feeling all alone. Whoa, mind is on overload. Temperature is hot and cold. I'm feeling all alone.
You make your own future. We saw it as an opportunity of doing something different, of pushing our philosophy. We really want to show people our energy. What we do is a craft. We do it with our hearts. We feel connected with the environment. We feel connected with people. The word holistic, that's how we live. Our food doesn't go for more than 100 kilometers from where we are. We wanted to keep that experience. It's not only food. Every time we're getting birds, pheasants, quails, wild game, and the lamb. We try to keep it in the 100 kilometers range. Suppliers come from different trips and visits and farmers market. You always get to know farmers. Banks Peninsula is full of edible things wild. We forage everything, whatever we find. We can see the seasons going so fast. We want the peak of the best of the season. A big job of the restaurant is how to enjoy what nature produces in the most raw form that you can find it. Check this mushroom. You see all the mycelium on top of them as well? So this is a typical mushroom that you buy in a supermarket. I've been thinking a lot about that lately, how free we are, how able to do this just 3 minutes from the restaurant. It's a dream, man. You can feed a family. This is a massive source of food here. I think nature decides what to do. We cannot ask anything to her. I think there is a lot of curiosity in cooking. Fermentation food is amazing. You can create flavors, you can preserve food in the most natural way. We like to do everything with the best. Do the most you can with everything you get. The idea of making the restaurant was most sustainable as possible. Our organic waste goes to the chickens. We treat every part of the animal as a whole. Sustainability is one very important side, but consciousness is more like an ethic. Taking care of the environment is part of the consciousness. The idea of having a degustation is knowing what people is eating and what you are cooking. You are cooking for 10. You are making 10 portions. We have no waste in the daily cooking. If there is no people coming to the restaurant, we just don't cook. Simple. We don't want to put energy into something that is not going to be used. We're creating our own food security and we're sharing with the community because they're not growing only for us. You can grow your own food. You don't need to go to the supermarket. We can grow everything ourselves. We can go to the farmers, make relationships with people, not with a till. 90% edible garden, plus chicken and a beehive. In a city landscape, same thing, but for us it is a house. We live there, so it's not a business garden, it is a house garden. We eat from it. It is changing a mindset and it's giving more opportunity to people.